What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. We're looking professional now. We got the bag. Emiliano gave me this bag last year for Christmas. Shout out to Emiliano. But we got stickers. We finally have stickers. When you see me, I got them because I'm always forgetting them. I'm going to try to bring this bag every time I go out now. Taking the DSM out today. We are taking it out. Going to try to do a 60 to 130 on the draggy, as well as having a little meet. I just posted a little meet on our Facebook page. Hopefully some people show up. Originally, we were going to go out with Bam Bam LLC with his Nick Yoskin and his twin turbo Lambo, and George with the the fast cars, the fast boys. We were going to go out and just putt around and see if we could maybe get some footage from behind. But I haven't been in touch with them. Maybe they'll come out that way. Who knows? We might meet up with them. But if not, we'll still have fun. Hopefully, I can not miss shift anymore. I did get a mount now for the camera, so let's see what the 60 to 130 on this thing is. Hopefully, it does all right. And then we're gonna head over to the meet. Let's do it. All right, so we're in the car now. It does not like the cold. I will tell you what, this car does not like the cold. But we got the draggy set up now. It's kind of cool how it has the reverse camera. That's a new thing there. It'll actually show me when I miss gears. It'll show me going, So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna let it warm up a little more. She likes to idle really low, and then it spurts back up. So gonna let it warm up. Hit 6.8, but now started overheating maybe. I don't know. The check engine light came on. Started spluttering. Threw it neutral, coasted to a stop here, and now Shimon turn back on. So that's good. DSM life, I guess. Figure it out. Dimitri scooped out. We're gonna go get gas. Hopefully it's just gas.
We're in the GSC now, boy.
Here we are. What's happening? Your thing broke. There we are. 2 gallons. We're gonna head over and see what happens. Hopefully it fires back up. Well, we got 2 DSMs saving another DSM. DSM guys, we got to stick together, right? Hopefully this gas helps it. Well, Dylan here brought us another 5 more gallons in. But it didn't work. Something's wrong, fuel related. Fuel pressure, something. I got to get a laptop on it. We're going to tow it home later and see on DSM like if it even has fuel pressure, but yeah, it's got nothing. Right? It's got nothing. It's dead. It's on the side of the road, so we'll see. So, this is gonna end the video. We had to get our first tow in the new DSM. We got Miles over here.
So much richness in my life.
Open me up.
This is absolutely crazy. I don't belong here.
It's not that bad. So yeah.
Is that good?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah. Hooking me up with the tow. If you need a tow, hit up Miles. Post his Instagram, post his information in the comments or in the description. So hit him up for a tow. He always comes out and saves me. This is probably like my 9th tow from you?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
I think like 12.
I should probably get a truck and trailer.
You'll have that when you mess with imports.
It's the DSM life. All right, so we got her home. Unfortunately, I had to tow it home, as you just saw. Miles towed it for me yesterday. It's now the next day. The car is having fuel issues. So when I did the pull, everything seemed all right. You guys just saw the 6.8 on the 60 to 130. That's pretty quick. Like supercharged Mustangs and stuff are doing around the same time. Yuri's 800 horsepower Evo does the same time. So 6.8's moving pretty good, especially on this lower boost. We're only on 28 pounds, and the car has seen 43 pounds. So I'm assuming it'll move. It'll move pretty good once we get it dialed in. The fuel, we weren't getting any fuel. We threw starter fluid in it, into the brake booster back there, pumped it through. It started really quick and then bogged right out. So we're having a tough time getting it primed again with the mechanical pump. It's harder to get it primed. It also has a pump on the other side. If you hit the defrost button, you can hear it pumping from one side of the tank to the other. But it's a stock tank, so I don't really understand where that's moving, but it is what it is. You can hear it do it, and I tried it for 5 minutes. Now the battery's pretty much dead. I'm going to try to throw the Mustang battery on it real quick just to connect it and see if we can get it started now that it's sat for a while. Maybe something's clogging the lines. If it did run out of fuel right after the pull, it might have sucked something up and got clogged, or there might be a clog. I mean, E85 eats through some stuff, so maybe it'll eat its way through and we won't have a problem. Hopefully. I don't know. Comment down below what you guys think it is. Just got to start taking some of the lines off and see, get a full charge on the battery and give it a shot again. But that's gonna end it for today's video. If you guys liked the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell, because I know a lot of people have the they're subscribed but they don't have the bell clicked. If you hit the little bell for notifications right next to subscribe, you will be able to see every time I post. Every time I post, it'll pop right up on your newsfeed, and then you can check out videos. That way you don't have to wait for videos. So we'll see you guys next time, and wish me luck on trying to get this thing running. Later.